Hello, my friends. Today we are going to work on question number 16 for the NJSLA practice. Now, for number 16, there are two different ways to do it. First one, you can use it called completing the square. So, what we are going to do is that we're going to move the constant to the other side of the equation. Now, I'm going to add 27 to both sides. So, you have x squared minus 6x equal 27. And do you remember what is the formula or method we're going to use for completing the square? It's plus b over 2 squared for both sides. Now go back to our original question. What is b here? Your b is negative 6. So substitute negative 6 back to here, where you are going to have x squared minus 6x plus negative 6 over 2 squared equal 27 plus negative 6 over 2 square. So, from the left side, we can put inside the parentheses square. That's why we use for completing the square. You have x, negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3, equal 27 negative 3 squared, which is a positive 9, which is 36. For some student, if you got confused like why from here, we can rewrite it back to this formula. Think about there is a special polynomial we call a plus b or minus b squared equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared or minus, and we're going to apply it backward from here to here. Okay, so this form is your a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And I can write everything inside the parentheses square, which is x minus 3 squared. And equal 36. Go back to check your ABCD list. You can see part C is your correct choice. For some students, if you got a little confused about using the completing the square, you can say, well, I forgot it, or I'm not very sure how you got there. I have another way for you to do it. So you can use going backward. I'm going to multiply everything out here to see if this one match the given equation. So let's do the first one. First one, I have part A. I have x times x minus 3 equal 27. Distributive law, I have x squared minus 3x equal 27. Check the origin. No. Negative 3x and negative 6x doesn't match. Okay. Part B. X minus 6 squared equals 63. If you can apply with the special product here, which is perfect, you're going to save a lot of time where your A is x minus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's see, you have x squared minus 2 times 6, which is 12x plus 36 equal 63. Now double check, you have negative 12x and the given function is negative 6x. Therefore this one doesn't work. Now let's see part C, which you have x minus 3 squared equal 36. Let me use the third way. For some students, I do not like this because I got confused. What is A? What is B? What is a 2AB? You can use a 2 by 2 table to multiply 3 minus 2 because 3 minus 2 square, x minus 3 squared means x minus 3 times x minus 3. Now you can put x, negative 3, x, and negative 3. And you're going to multiply every element together. X squared here, negative 3x here, negative 3x here, negative times negative, which is a positive 9. Diagonal is your like term. So you have x squared. Combine those two, negative 3x plus negative 3x, which is negative 6x, and a positive 9 equals 36. So, in that case, either you make minus 36 from both sides, or you can minus 9 from both sides. You can see x squared minus 6x and minus 27 equals 0. This is what is given right here. Okay, now let me make a quick summary. The best way to deal, which is using the completing the square. You add b over 2 parentheses square for both sides. And then don't touch anything here. Okay, you just put x and your b over 2 inside the parentheses at the square here. Because this is when we apply the special product, special polynomial backward. You put inside the parentheses, you simplify the right, and you will see this one is part C, the correct solution. However, if you're not familiar with completing the square, you can multiply every single choice to see which one is same as the given equation. Okay, you can use distributive law. You can again apply the special product. You can use the 2 by 2 table to multiply it. Just keep trying. Don't give up. Okay, so that is for question number 16.